Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get public account to private account in Snapchat. Open Snapchat and go to your profile, then tap the gear icon for settings. Find the Profile Privacy or Public Profile section, then change the audience to Friends or Private. Confirm any prompts and review who can message or view your story. Check your connections and remove anyone you do not want as a friend to keep privacy tight. Switching story and contact settings is key to making a public account private. Go to Story Settings and choose Friends or Custom so only chosen people see your snaps. In Snap Map, turn off location sharing or set it to ghost mode to hide your position. Under Contact Preferences, pick Friends for who can send you snaps and view your story to limit interactions and keep your account effectively private and controlled. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel and see more privacy tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easier with leak-proof containers that lock tight and fit in backpacks without spills, perfect for busy days between snaps. I like them for saving time and avoiding soggy lunches when I share on stories. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If you accidentally enabled a public profile, you can remove it and return to a private account. Open your public profile page, tap the menu or settings, and select Remove Public Profile, then confirm the action. After removal, review linked creator tools like Spotlight or Public Story options and disable any active features. This clears your public presence and ensures your account behaves like a regular private account for friends and followers only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.